If you have pets, you know that every time they eat, it's as if a mini hurricane went through your house, leaving crumbs and sprays of water everywhere. And the bigger the friend, the bigger the mess. Now, standard silicone mats, they just pool the water and then they leave a place for like slime and goo to build up. But fabric mats just end up smelling like wet dog after a while. Now we want to avoid that. I've been looking for a solution to put underneath the dog's food dish, and I didn't want just a standard silicone one that was going to pool the water and make it so that he'd track it all over the house, which is why when MontVoo reached out and asked me if I would take their pet feeding mat, I was really excited because it is a different material. What makes this pet feeding mat from MontVoo different is that it has a really unique structure. First of all, it has a silicone anti-slip grip on the back, but what makes it stand out is the cover that's on top of that. It's a fabric cover that absorbs moisture, dries quickly, and is easy to clean. Now I have it here in front of me. It does come in a couple different sizes, so you can find one that suits your particular pet feeding area specifically, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like on camera. You can see that it's very flexible, and I'm going to give you a close-up too, because I think it's actually really great quality. There's this really nice overcast stitching here and this soft absorbent fast dry material right there. On top of that, you get this really nice rubber silicone backing that prevents the mat from moving everywhere. I'm going to go put it right back in place where I had it and show you what it looks like once it's installed. We're going to move this out of the way just like this. Put it over here just like this. And put it in place just like that. Now let's talk about why standard pet placemats usually fall short. Most pet parents either go with rubber mats that hold standing water, creating a breeding ground for bacteria, or cloth mats that require constant washing. That's where the MontVoo Pet Feeding Mat enters the chat. It's designed to bridge the gap by offering heavy absorbency without bulky, hard to clean hassle. Now, unlike stiff silicone versions for pet feeding mats, this one here from MontVoo is definitely different. The MontVoo mat features a multi-layered design. The top layer is a soft, actually faux leather kind of a surface. It's really more like a microfiber though. The purpose of that is so that it will absorb water. Underneath that is its fast drying core, and then on the bottom is the non-slip silicone that helps it to stay in place even when big pets like my fella right here are on the mat and off the mat, keeping it in place and helping to contain the mess. Now I have some water here and I just want to show you how easily it's absorbed. When you put it down like this, it actually absorbs right into the mat like this. And you can't actually push it off onto the ground at all because it absorbs right in. The water pretty much goes right in right away. And nothing underneath. It's pretty awesome, actually. Now, the worst part about traditional mats is that they don't clean up very easy. However, a mat like this is great. It's very vacuum friendly, and the non-stick mat helps to ensure that it doesn't move while you're vacuuming. And if things spill on the mat like that, it's relatively easy to pick up, whether you have a canine vacuum cleaner or you're using a traditional handheld one. Cleaning up messes is also really easy. I love that I can just use a wet cloth to just wipe away the mess, and I don't have to worry about throwing the mat in the wash to get it cleaned up. Overall, if you are looking for a pet mat that helps to keep the mess contained in your house, is non-slip and goes nowhere, and is a really easy cleanup on top of having this fantastic absorbent layer to clean up and capture all of the water that spills, this one here from MontVoo is absolutely fantastic. Very happy with it. I've put it in place and it is pet proven to work. If this video helped you out and you liked what you see, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up next. And now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest pet mess you've ever had to clean up? Do you think a mat like this would help? Let me know in the comments below. Check out the link in the description below to buy what you've just seen. Scan the QR code to move on over to my Amazon storefront, where you will find carefully curated lists of all my family's favorites. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got a question about this product, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching.